Alright, so I drove over one of my septic sprinklers with my mower. Normally, the sprinklers retreat back into the ground after they're done. However, mine are getting kind of old and stay up sometimes. Well, I wasn't paying attention, probably daydreaming about hot chicks and bikinis, and smack, there it went. I already dug the hole around the sprinkler. I didn't figure anyone would want to watch me dig. As you see, my sprinklers are type K. I got my replacement at the Home Depot. They are pretty easy to replace. Take off the old one, then screw on the new one. Then just adjust the settings to your preference. Turn it counterclockwise to the left start position. Use the key provided to turn the radius setting to the degree you prefer. You can turn it clockwise to find your right stop and return point for the sprinkler. The arrow that points what direction the sprinkler will shoot has a small screw in it. That is the distance adjustment for the water stream. The arrow in the middle is for the degree setting. So that's it. Pretty easy. Maybe the hole will fill up with water. Give the frog something to play in.